Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of interior kitchen design. In this video, we will be exploring the main features that make our kitchen functional, stylish, and a joy to work. So let's get started. First and foremost, a well-designed kitchen needs a central focal point that brings everything together. That's where the kitchen island comes into play. Not only does it provide additional countertop space for food preparation, but it also acts as a gathering spot for family and friends. Now, let's talk about the countertops. When choosing materials, it's important to consider durability and aesthetics. Quartz countertops have gained popularity for their sleek appearance and resistance to stains. Granite and marble are other excellent options for their natural beauty. Now, next up, we have the cabinets. We can say cabinetry. The style and color of the cabinets play a crucial role in setting the overall tone of the kitchen. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a more traditional feel, it's important to choose quality materials that withstand the test of time. No kitchen is complete without appliances that meet your cooking needs. When selecting appliances, consider the layout and functionality. Stainless steel appliances offer a sleek and contemporary look, while integrated appliances provide a seamless blend with the cabinetry. Proper lighting is essential in any kitchen. It not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of ambience. Incorporate a combination of task lighting such as under cabinet lights and ambient lighting with pendant or recessed fixtures to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let's not forget about storage. Smart and efficient storage solutions are a game changer in a well-designed kitchen. Consider installing pull-out pantry shelves, deep drawers, and corner storage units to maximize every inch of space. The sink area is another crucial aspect of kitchen design. A functional sink with a high-quality faucet is a must. Look for features like a sprayer, retractable hose, and temperature control to make dishwashing and food preparation tasks a breeze. Lastly, let's discuss the flooring. Choose flooring materials that are durable, easy to clean, and complement the overall design. Options like hardwood, tile, and luxury vinyl are popular choices, each offering unique advantage in terms of style and maintenance. That conclude our tour of the main feature of well-designed kitchen. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics. By carefully selecting materials, appliances, lighting, and storage solutions, you can create a kitchen that reflect your personal style while enhancing your culinary experience. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Before we wrap up, I had like to invite you to explore more inspiring video on our channel. We have a treasure trove of architectural wonders